If you're looking for a plow truck this winter, these 2024 2500 Sierra Double Cab Pros are in stock with the snowplow prep package ready to go. These great plow trucks start at an MSRP of $71,529. And if you mention this video, we'll give you $5,000 off as a GanChev discount. First up is our most cost-effective option, this white Sierra, starting at an MSRP of $71,529 with a factory spray and liner, trailer brake controller and hitch guidance, assist steps, a snowplow prep package, 7-inch color touch screen, and it comes with 3 years OnStar remote access. If you're looking for a plow truck with a few more comfort and convenience options, we have another 2 here to choose from. This gray or white model with power folding heated trailer mirrors, gooseneck, 5th wheel prep package, easy lift tailgate, and more. Text our team to start the buying process or arrange for a test drive.